All right, welcome back, fourth grade. I hope you took all those notes about your must do, should do, and aspire to do lessons and the grades you'll get for how much you do. Um, just a quick thing about that, you will still be taking a test at the end of all of this unit, and that will be another one of your grades, plus your participation in math and how you're working and working together will be another grade. I want to talk to you about when your game board is due. So you probably noticed that on your game board, there's a due date. It says due 4/8. That's on Thursday. It is due at the end of the day on Thursday. Your teacher will probably check it on Friday the 9th. If you're like, oh no, Miss Melissa, it's already Thursday and I want to do all the lessons so I get an A plus, don't worry. You're allowed to work outside of class. If you're absent or if you're falling behind or if you just want to do a little extra math, you can work outside of class. You'll need to find your game board on your Google Classroom. Your game board will be posted on your Google Classroom, and you can click into any lesson that you're on. Don't go ahead. If you're on lesson 2, you should click into lesson 2, and you can complete that lesson. There's one special note about working not during class time. If you're working after school or during a break or in the morning or just not during our math class time, you will not be allowed to do the mastery check. So when you get to the mastery check page, leave it and go to the next lesson. The next time you see your teacher, tell them, I didn't do the mastery check for that lesson. Can I do it now? And your teacher will give it to you then. So you cannot do mastery checks outside of class. You have to do those in class. So if you are working outside of class, just know you cannot do the mastery check because your teacher needs to give that to you. And you can just move on if you need to. And you need to remember to tell your teacher, I completed my videos, my guided notes, and my practice, and I need to do the mastery check for whichever lesson. So remember, this is due Thursday, the 8th, at the end of the day. You can always find your game board on Google Classroom. And if you're absent or if you are falling behind, you can work on it. But remember, you cannot do the mastery check outside of class. That's it for this lesson. You'll have to do a little bit of practice. And for your mastery check today, you'll be setting a goal. What grade do you want to get? And how will you get that grade? So good luck with your practice. Remember to move into the practice breakout room after you finish the guided notes, and then move into the mastery check once you finish the practice. Bye.